ClickSnap allows you to transform standard-sized clipboards into smaller, more compact versions, which enables you to create space-efficient prototypes. One logical question that immediately comes up is that it? Can you get them back together? As a matter of fact, yes. And it will look something like this. The base clipboard and the snapped part of the clipboard are now mutually connected. To get them back together, you will need the following hardware accessories: 1x8 male connector header, right angled, and 8-wire female to female cable. And why would you do such a thing? Why would you perform the connection between host board and the snapping board once again? Well, these accessories enable you to house the main embedded application inside a protective enclosure while positioning the snapped part of the clipboard externally. This setup is particularly useful for components like sensors that need to be exposed to specific environmental conditions. Just imagine you're working on a temperature monitoring system. With ClickSnap and the extended cables and connectors, you can actually do it.